Hi there. In this tutorial I am going to show you how we are going to cover cracks and holes in a plaster wall to paint it later. As for the cracks, the first thing we do is pass the putty knife both one way and the other. So, we open the edges of the crack in a V shape. Why are we doing this? To eliminate the areas that are detached so the lightweight filler that we are going to place next has good adhesion. As for the holes, we are simply going to pass the taping knife to clean that area. Once this is done, we will apply a primer. This primer will help us to consolidate the background and will guarantee maximum adherence in the filler that we are going to place next. We will dilute it with water as indicated by the manufacturer instructions. In the description you will find equivalent products in the US stores. This is already dry. We are going to make the lightweight filler. At the time of filling, we are going to place the product and we are going to remove it immediately. The goal is to keep a perfect smooth wall, without leaving screeds, because later it will be difficult for us to sand them. Sometimes we have filled a crack, then we have seen that it appears again in a short time. They are active cracks. How can we solve this problem? With a crack tape. This tape is adhesive and is placed over the crack. Next, we are going to completely fill the tape. We already have the dry wall. We just need to sand it. We are going to sand it to remove any possible imperfections that we may have left with the taping knife. We are going to do it with a fine-grained sandpaper. We are not interested in roughing it, but just polish it. Next, we are going to give a second coat of spackle to make it smoother. When it has dried, we will sand it. Finally, we are going to apply the same primer to the entire wall. This primer will regulate the absorption and will provide us maximum adherence for the coating or paint that we are going to apply later. In addition, with this we will also achieve a very homogeneous result. I stay printing and painting. Good luck with your renovations.